Let me tell you a little bit about the Locksmiths. We're here to help people. We provide a home for everyone. Not only that, but we teach wonderful life skills. What life skills, you might ask? Well, how about archery, trampolining, tennis, slam dunking, golf cart driving, karate, gardening, skateboarding, canoeing, yoga, sheep herding, and general benevolence all around. Join now and get half off your mandatory smock. That's half off a full smock at half off. That is an amazing deal. Can you believe it? Do you believe it? Do you believe it? No one believes it. I paid at least double for my smock. These smocks are the deal of a lifetime, considering they're made with the tiniest little hands.
Joining is free. Smokes on sale. Call now. Don't miss this deal of a lifetime. 3 easy payments, $39.99. Limited time offer, plus shipping and handling. May cause erectile dysfunction.